Previously on WeWanderlustCo, we finally said goodbye to Thailand, and although we'll miss our days there, it's time to explore more of Malaysia. So today we take you on a life in a day as digital nomads, show you what we've been up to, and give you a tour of this beautiful art hotel we've been staying at. That is why today we've decided to take you guys along on a day in the life of digital nomads here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. When we're not creating content for you guys, we are actually probably locked up in our Airbnb or hotel somewhere and kind of editing the videos, working on our blog posts. I mean, it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
But we don't forget to have some fun during the day.
Yeah.
So yeah, other than that, let's go.
So first things first, after waking up, get to experience the KL skyline, taking some fresh air, have some nice views from our Airbnb, which is super nice. And then after that, what is most important to us is meditation and some breath work. So we spent a couple minutes doing that and off to
breakfast. For breakfast, Waseem usually prepares the coffee while I prepare the fruits. And sometimes we have some oatmeal. If we run out, then we just run down to the local mart here downstairs and get some pastries.
Yeah.
After breakfast, we do a few hours of deep work and work on our projects and some passion projects. And then after that, it's time for lunch.
So we're here at the recreation area. There's also a pool outdoors, but if you could tell, there's nobody around. But yeah, they have the nice seats around, chandelier. That's the theme of the whole building.
Yes.
And yeah, you could come down, work on your laptops. We've done it a few times because it's fairly quiet.
Yeah, no one's here, and no one usually is here. It just, I guess, apparently everyone's either in their condos, apartments, or out and about.
Out and about, yeah. Only one person in the pool.
Yeah, so it's nice because kids get to be in the pool as well. We've seen like a whole bunch of kids. But then this is a lap pool, but we have like another really epic pool, which is our favorite. We're going to show you that next.
Right. We'll show you guys the gym. So one of the cool things about this place is how the art installation is. So you have these giant lamps, giant chairs, and actually the one behind me is actually a 2-story lamp, which kind of gives you that Alice in Wonderland and Beauty and the Beast lamp. If you guys know what I'm talking about, or I believe it's Cinderella. I don't know which one, but I'll refer to you guys.
This is Lumiere. Enchanté, chérie. If there's
But yeah, it has this big floral art installations and especially this 2-story lamp, which is really cool. Actually, it lights up at night, so give you guys a glimpse as to how it looks like at night.
Yeah, and we also have this recreation area that's also outdoors. It's right across from the lap pool that we showed you. But it's really nice. Sometimes we come out here, read a book, take in the scenery. You also see the 2-story lampshades, and like the biggest thing out here is like the biggest lampshade that we've ever seen, which is in the back.
Yeah.
With the fountain, like it's like stone lily pads. It's really pretty, and yeah, it just flows throughout the day. Kind of gives you that ambient, like water flow sound.
White noise.
Yeah, white noise. Actually, that's what I meant to say.
It's very relaxing.
Yeah, it's very relaxing. So sometimes we come out here, and the sun's not too harsh. There's some sort of like haze going on nowadays, which kind of like, I guess, shades us from the sun.
Yeah, it's nice. It's actually a nice time out here. Personally, I like to come out here because it's so green. So kind of getting some fresh air and also just taking in the views. I would say nice 2 condominium buildings in front of us. It's got green spaces on the very roof. It's kind of similar to the butterfly garden. And yeah, just so much greenery just in front of us. It's got this nice open space that, you know, I kind of like to come out and relax. So
Yeah, it's like a full, like almost like 180-degree
yeah.
view. It's so stunning.
Yeah. And if you're up here, we have something really cool to show you. So let me go show you. It's a short walk away, but the fact that you can see it from really far away, it goes to show what I'm talking about. It is number 2 on the list, and that is the list of the tallest buildings in the world. And we are looking at the Merdeka 118, which is the 2nd tallest building in the world. Malaysia's got it. The fact that when we came in on night 1, you could see it from so far away, and the fact that you could see it from here as well, goes to show as to how tall it is. Actually, the spire is really tall. I would say that in itself is about 40 stories or so. We'll fact check that too. But yeah, you could see it from real far away. Nice scenic views from here. Pretty cool.
Doing some focused work, we do like to relax for a bit. So this place has 2 pools, a lap pool and a really beautiful pool that's in a different building. So we are gonna go over to that one and get some relaxation in.
So when we're not working, we sometimes come out to the pool, cool off in this Malaysian heat.
And I think work-life balance is also very important when you're on the road, especially when you're on the road.
Yeah.
Because you know, there's no routines. And sometimes it's important, it's important to have routines and have some balance. And one of the main reasons we love coming to this pool on the top, there's also the mosaic pool that we talked about at the bottom floor, right? But the main reason is because it has beautiful scenic views of the three
main towers of KL.
Which is the Petronas Tower, the KL Tower, and the Merdeka 118. Beautiful views even in the morning, and yeah, we love it. And it kind of reminds me of
the pool, yeah.
The saltwater pools in Turkey, I think.
Yeah.
And they kind of have one in Mexico, I believe. But yeah, it's a beautiful pool. Yeah, and it can get very crowded throughout the day.
Yeah.
So we kind of try to find the right time, but it's never the right time. Whenever we need a break,
it's a very popular place.
Yeah. So we decided to just keep it simple and come down to our local cafe. It's called Aloe. And yeah, we're just gonna go in and grab some late lunch. Dinner. Let's go.
So we're here at our local shopping mall. It's called Publica. Let's go in and go get some supplies because we're actually running a little low. This is where we shop. It's called BIG. So.
Galore. I've been wondering like what this has been for a while. Maybe I should just Google it and see. I don't know if it's famous.
Interesting. It's pretty hard, yeah.
Yeah, it looks kind of creepy. Reminds me of an armadillo. Oh God. But Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, is it mangosteen? I'm not sure. Either it's a
No,
mangosteen
this is
or
mangosteen.
Oh, okay.
No, is this passion fruit? You know what? Apparently we just know two things really well. The rose apple and the guavas.
But
And
let
pineapples.
us know, guys, if that's a mangosteen or a buah salak. I don't know what that is.
I'll Google it,
Yeah.
but we'll see. But beautiful mango. Doesn't this remind you of like
Yeah.
these are the fresh honey jackfruits that Waseem loves so much.
Yeah.
We're gonna get these. Fresh peeled coconut. I think it's $6.50 MYR, but we'll see.
Who's got a nice big haul? Of
We
some
do.
Goodies from BIG.
It's mostly snacks and things because most of the time we don't cook at home. We eat out.
Yeah.
So whenever we're out exploring, of course we eat out. Today we came out to get our supplies, so we're just gonna go to the food court and see what we're feeling like today.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much for coming along and living a day in our life with us.
If you guys like this video or like our content in general, we would appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe and like button.
Yes, it does not cost a thing.
No, it does not cost a thing.
We are also thinking of doing a live Q&A once we hit 20K.
Yeah.
So I'm excited about that. So if you have any questions, do, save them. So as soon as we hit 20K, we are ready to do a live Q&A.
Who doesn't love a Q&A session?
Especially live. We'd
Yeah.
love to do that with you guys.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for coming along and enjoying the day with us. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.
And as always, wherever you go,
Don't forget to wander.
we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Bye. Next on WeWanderlustCo.
Two guavas, cuervos.
Two huevos.